In this video, I'm sharing a heart-shaped cake idea. The flowers are made with bean paste and are naturally colored with beet powder, so stay tuned. I experimented with an alternative to buttercream because I'm very curious about the beautiful Korean style of cake decorating. Here's a batch of bean paste, which I made, and also I colored it with beet powder to make these beautiful dogwood flowers. This is the strawberry cake recipe, which you will find on my channel. The filling is English lemon curd blended with Italian meringue buttercream, also on my channel. I will place the links to all the recipes I used in this video in the description box below. I split 2 cakes to make 4 layers. Fill them generously and then crumb coat the cakes. At this point, you can wrap your cake in plastic and refrigerate to chill. Once the cakes are chilled, frost your cakes with a generous amount of icing. You can smooth the sides or do as I did, which is a rustic style. This is chocolate ganache, which will be branches or a wreath. I'm using a round tip. You can use any size round tip you want. The bean paste did take a little getting used to. It's thicker and heavier, but it has a beautiful sheer look to it that I really love. This first flower, I ended up actually removing because I didn't like the way it looked. I decided to pipe directly on the cake and make dogwood flowers, which are basically 4 heart-shaped petals. I do have a video on piping dogwood flowers, so I will add that to the links below as well. When you're piping with the bean paste, it's basically the same thing as piping with buttercream. I'm going to turn up the music and let you enjoy the rest of the decorating, and I will most likely be doing some in-depth tutorials about bean paste flowers if that is something that you would like to see. Enjoy the rest of the video.